Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your you can say how to move your Steam games to another drive. So this is a full tutorial and very easiest tutorial. First of all, what you have to do, you need to click on settings, and once you click on settings you need to go to on storage, and once you click on storage, first of all you need to add your drive, on which drive you want to transfer, or which you want to move your game from which drive. As you can see over here, we have two drives like C drive. My C drive is almost full and there is only 43 GB storage is free. So I want to transfer my this Euro Truck Simulator 2 from another drive. So in that case, what I have to do, you need to click on add drive, and once you click on add drive you need to click on this option, and you need to add drive on which you want to transfer your game. Okay, so I have already added my drive this, as you can see over here, K drive. I have already added my K drive, and on my K drive I have approx 411 GB storage of free storage. So in that case, now what you have to do, you need to click on simply you need to close this window and you need to click on Euro Truck Simulator 2, and you need to click on and your game libraries, and you can see over here libraries, and over here you can see your game libraries and games, and you need to click on right and properties. And once you click on properties and install files, as you can see over here, move install folder. Okay, so move install folder, and which drive you want to you will see once you added your drive over here. Over on that screen you will see your drive is added over here, and you need to simply click on move. And once you click on move, it will take some time, approx it totally depend on your game size and all. If your game size is too big, then it will take lots of time, and if your game size is small, then it will take some little bit time. Okay, so I'm going to move, or you can say I'm going to fast forward this you can say step. So once it all complete, I will guide you what you have to do next. As you can see over here, my moving process is started, and over here you can see you have to wait for some time. I'm going to fast forward this video. So guys, you can see now my game is completely moved, content, all content is moved. And now what we have to do, you need to close all windows, and now over here once we click on settings, and over here you can see downloads and storage, and you can see over here my game is not in C drive, and over here you can see in my K drive I have you can say transferred my game in my K drive. So now you can see I have transferred my game, and once we click on this option like properties, and over here when we click on install file, you can see my drive is changed, and you can see over here my drive is completely changed, and I have transferred my game successfully in my K drive. And this is done by using this method. You can easily transfer your games from C drive to another drive. Okay, so if you have any kind of questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.